Welcome, in front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen on this device. So number one, we're going to proceed further just to connect to network, and you can actually then immediately see that the device is locked as well. So you just connect to right here, continue. I'll start doing the checking and should pop me up with a verify account. Okay, so there it is, verify your account. So to get past this, we want to go back to Wi-Fi, scroll down, and you'll have an option to add network. So tap on it. In the name, you want to just type random letters, doesn't really matter what it is. You want to then select it, and you will have the option of assist. Now, if you don't see it, you might want to just tap away a couple more letters there, and it should hopefully pop up. I had a case where all the letters that I put in were just too short, so it didn't give me the option. But if you put in something around 5, it should show you that. So once you tap on the assist, you want to then tap on no thanks. We don't really want to log in. It will just take us back to the verify screen. And from the search, you want to search for Chrome. So that will allow us to open up the Chrome app. Again, we don't want to log in, and no thanks. And in the search, now we're going to go into HardReset.Info website. So like so. Once it loads, tap on the 3 bars right here and then download. And in the download field, you want to search for Android 8. Like so. Just search for it and you will see it right here. So tap on the download, and once more, once it proceeds on, scroll down and again tap on download. Now, before you can actually download it, you'll need to basically update the permissions so Chrome can download. Then it pops you up with the download app, so tap on OK, and it should start now downloading. And once it's done, we should see a pop-up right here. So tap on open. If it disappears, you will need to tap on the download again and just re-download it once more, and just try to tap on the open button before it actually disappears. So from here, tap on the file that we have downloaded, and we need to allow unknown sources. So tap on settings, and in the settings, scroll all the way down. And at the bottom, you will see unknown sources. Check that on, confirm it, and go back. And do that once more. So tap on it. And now, instead of basically allowing unknown sources, we can tap on install. It will start the install. Just tap on accept as well. And once it's done, we will open it. Okay, so let's just tap on open. And from here, you want to choose Google Account Manager APK install and select for version 6.0. Then install. And this time we don't want to open it, we just want to tap on done or just go back. And back here, now tap on bypass FRP and select browser sign in. Now disregard this page, we want to go back to 3 dots and again tap on browser sign in, and it will take us to the Google one right here, where we'll be able to put in a new email and password that we desire to use. And yeah, so let's do that. Tap on next and then put in your password. So I'm going to do that off the screen. And then tap on sign in. You'll see that it starts signing in, and once it's done, it will take you back to the FRP bypass app. So from here, all you need to do is hold the power key and slide down to Actually, we didn't really want to power it off, but tap on reboot if you don't do what I did. Now it doesn't really change much. We need to just basically restart the device at the moment. So once it's off, I will have to power it back on. Now if you tapped reboot, then you don't really need to power it back on, it will do it automatically. And we should be back in the setup screen. So from here, and just proceed on, continue. And in the normal circumstances, I'm not sure how it's going to work for this moment. I just tap on continue. If it tells me to sign in and drops me back into the network setup, I'll just disable network and it will work. As you can see, there is no verification screen. So let's tap on skip and it takes me back. In a normal circumstance, you would be able just to skip it, or it would actually show you the account that you have used to log in, but for some reason on this device it just works a little bit weird and a bit differently. So what you want to do is just disable the network that you're connected to and then tap on skip. Now as you can see, we can actually skip it now, so we don't need to log in. Tap on next, continue, skip, continue, and finish. As you can see, we're now on the home screen of the phone, so let's go into the settings. And from settings, scroll all the way down to about phone. We're gonna unlock one thing, so the device has no reason to keep any previous files when we perform a hard reset. So where is the device name? Is it the build? Yep, there it is. So tap on the build number 7 times and you will see that you are now a developer. Go back and you should see a developer options right here. And from here we want to enable OEM unlocking. Enable. Go back. And now we want to go into backup and reset. And choose reset factory reset factory settings. It will give you a message that will remove basically everything, so your accounts, downloads, music, whatever. But as you can see, there is nothing on this device, so it's not like we want to keep anything. And all you need to do is just tap on reset phone, reset, and let's just wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, we should be back in the setup screen, and this time we don't have to connect to anything. It should just allow us to basically get past this without any problem. Okay, so back on the setup screen, let's just continue again on. Now this time you can set it up as however you like, it doesn't really matter now. So you can connect to networks and connect to Google accounts and all that. But to save time, I'm gonna skip it, because if I would choose the Wi-Fi, it will start looking for it for updates and then try to load Google. So it's just gonna be a time saver, just so you can see that everything worked just fine. That's the purpose of me just doing this setup right now. But like I said, you can basically perform the setup of the device as you would normally do with setting up everything, along with passcodes and Google accounts. And from here, if I go into the settings, just tap on allow, scroll down to, where is it? Account management. And you can see that there's no accounts now whatsoever. So the device is now fully unlocked and you can do whatever you like with it. And yeah, that is basically how you would bypass the Google verification screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.